my name is Ali Carter. I am the founder of Mediate UK, and I'm going to give you a quick talk today about one question we are sometimes asked by clients, which is, can I record the mediation sessions? And the short answer is, no, you can't. Sorry, but I'll explain why. So family mediation is a process but is what's called without prejudice. So it allows you to make offers, counter offers, consider scenarios, consider things, to talk freely, chat through an issue, to try and come up with a resolution that you can both move on with. You cannot then be held accountable for those discussions at a later date, because that's what they are. They're just discussions to try to solve a problem. When you get to a solution, that then gets drafted up and that can be made legally binding, and then obviously you do need to be accountable for that decision. But the actual process is without prejudice. You can't record it because there would be absolutely nothing you can do with that. You can't go to court and say, this person acted really badly in mediation, judge, look, or play a tape recording of what they said or did, because the judge just wouldn't allow it. It wouldn't be able to happen. Mediation is a process that replaces going to court. They want you to try to reach an agreement, well, ideally between yourselves, but if not, through mediation. So we replace going to court, so therefore we align ourselves with the court, and you certainly cannot record or even comment on what took place at court in public. There was a case recently where a parent recorded all over Facebook what the judge was saying and the outcomes, and someone else did a GoFundMe page to try to help with their legal case, putting in there all details of the case. It's a huge no-no. The judge found out and actually ruled against the person because their behaviour raised questions over their parenting, and therefore it got ruled against. So it's a big no-no. If you're in mediation and you put stuff all on your social media, then we would have to close down mediation. It's not going to be suitable for mediation. You'd have to go to court. So what goes on in the mediation room stays in the mediation room. You'll get an outcome summary. Normally, if you do it for Mediate UK, there are outcomes to record. You'll get an outcome summary that says what needs to be done in between. And then at the end, you'll get either a memorandum of understanding that shows the agreement reached, or you can have an outcome statement that might show part agreement if you haven't reached agreement on everything. So you can't record during a mediation session. Some people ask if they can take a photo of figures. If you ask the mediator, that will be down to them. They should be sending you out those figures anyway. But if you can't really sort of record in any way or shapes or means what goes on in those sessions. So I hope that answers the question. I hope it explains why. It's not because we're scared. It's not because we don't want it being made public. It's because that what is discussed is protected under mediation. And whatever happens, whatever stage you're at with your case, I do wish you all the best in getting to a successful resolution for you both. Many thanks.